Bánh Bông is a soft and fluffy steamed rice cake with coconut flavor with the top bloom layer of flour. Let's learn how to make it.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need 170 grams of rice flour, 20 grams of tapioca starch, 100 grams sugar, 200 ml coconut milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/3 teaspoon salt. First, combine 50 grams of sugar with 250 ml of coconut milk in a small saucepan. Stir and cook over medium heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Turn off the heat and leave to cool. Next, in a large bowl, combine 170 grams of rice flour, 20 grams tapioca starch, and 1/3 teaspoon salt. Add the coconut mixture and stir well. Add vanilla extract and stir to combine. Separate the yolks and combine the egg whites in a large bowl. Beat with a hand mixer until big bubbles appear. Then add half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Continue beating over high speed until the bubbles appear smaller and smaller. Gradually add 50 grams of sugar and continue beating. When you lift off the beater and the egg whites can stand up straight, that is when it reaches hard peak. Stop beating, add the egg white into the flour mixture in 3 additions, using folding technique to mix up the batter gently until homogeneous. Continue with the other 2 additions and continue folding until you get a homogeneous batter. Next, grease the mold with some vegetable oil to prevent sticking. I use a small and high teacup like this. Fill the cup almost full with the butter. Gently tap the cup on the counter to release the big bubbles. Dip a knife into vinegar and score a line across the surface. Wipe off the egg white on the knife and dip it into vinegar again and make another score on the surface of the butter to make a plus sign. This will help the rice cake to bloom better. When finished scoring, steam the cake immediately for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on the size of the mold. Do not open the lid during these 15 minutes and wrap the lid of your steamer in a kitchen towel to prevent the water from dipping into the cake. Ta-da! Look at the beautiful petals. You can enjoy the cakes when they are still hot to adore the fluffiness and the beautiful flavor. It's so soft and fluffy inside with amazing flavor of coconut milk. Such a beautiful and tasty rice cake that you should totally give it a try. I wish you success and please send me a photo if you give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Bye!